Baron Geisler patatalsikin daw sa show pero hindi dahil sa pagtoma. Inamin ng manager ni Baron Geisler na totoong pagpapahingahin muna ito sa teleseryeng Senior High pero itinanggi na ang dahilan ay ang pag-iinom ng alak ng aktor tuwing may taping. Sa statement, ipinaliwanag ni Arnold Bigafraya na binigyan ng temporary break ng producer ng series si Baron Geisler dahil may gagawin itong dalawang pelikula. Contrary to the misleading reports some showbiz reporters, my talent Baron Geisler has not been terminated from his ABS-CBN teleserye project Senior High because of his delinquent behavior, ani ni Bigafraya. Baron has been given a clearance by the show's producer to take a temporary break for him to focus on 2 movie projects, one local, one international, after which he will resume his taping for Senior High, dagdag ng manager. Payo niya sa publiko, huwag agad husgahan si Baron dahil lamang sa mga ulat ng ilang showbiz reporters na wala namang basihan. I had a privilege of having a heart-to-heart talk with Baron recently and saw for myself how much he has reformed since his bad boy days some years back. He remains the same talented, world-class and award-winning actor that we all know, and because of his inspiring story of redemption, I believe that he deserves a second chance. That's why I didn't hesitate to take him back under my management. I just hope that we can put an end to all these baseless allegations and refrain from making any unfair judgment until we validate the truth, sambit niya. Sagot naman ni Baron Geisler dito, big thanks to God for keeping me patient. Thanks also to my management team at Arnold Bigafraya for helping me clear this issue. Plus fixing my schedules para maayos pa lahat at walang masagasaan. #No to burning bridges. Matatandaan na sinabi ni OG Diaz na ayon sa kanyang source ay nagdadala ng alak si Baron sa tumbler nito tuwing may taping. Dahil dito dagdag ng source ay natatakot ang mga batang kasama niya sa teleserye kapag nalalasing ang aktor. Itinanggi naman ni Baron ang mga paratang. Anya, clickbait fake news. Ang isang post na inuulat ang kanya umanong delinquent behavior sa set ng Senior High. Comment naman ng mga fans ni Baron, isang magaling na aktor si Baron, kaya ganun pa man, hinahangaan ko yan sa galing niya. Sana wag na lang talaga siyang bumalik sa bisyo niya. Magaling si Baron bilang aktor at sa role niya sa Senior High. Bagay na bagay at magaling siya. Natural na natural ang acting.